Hi, my name is Andrea with Foodimentary Adventures in Food, and today I'm sharing a simple and delicious recipe for cheesy Southwestern breakfast casserole. If you're looking for more easy breakfast ideas, make sure to check out the breakfast playlist in the description box. So let me show you what you're going to need. You are going to need some breakfast sausage, fully cooked breakfast sausage. I am using pork. You can use whatever you'd prefer. Turkey sausage, chicken sausage, either one will work just fine. You are going to need some frozen hash browns that you have thawed out. These are the O'Brien potatoes. They have the pepper and onion in them. You're going to need 2 cups of cheese. I am using a mixture of cheddar and Monterey Jack. If you want to use pepper jack, that would be delicious as well. You're going to need some green onions, eggs, and you're going to need some spicy jalapeno Philly cream cheese, and this is at room temperature and it's very soft. So let's get started. Okay, I've got my eggs in a bowl. The first thing I'm gonna do is sprinkle just a little bit of black pepper, and I'm gonna use a whisk. Now, I'm not using any salt because we try to watch our salt, and I feel like there's plenty of salt in the cheese and in the sausage, but if you wanna add any additional spices at this time, feel free. So now I'm going to add my hash browns. And I'm going to add in my pork sausage. My green onions, I'm not gonna add them all, I'm gonna save some for garnish. My cream cheese. And my cheddar Monterey Jack. And I'm not adding all of it, I'm gonna save some for the top. And I'm just gonna give this a good stir. All right, so I've got everything all mixed up. I've got an 8x8 casserole that I've sprayed with cooking spray. Now I'm just pouring that mixture in. And if I didn't mention it already, I'll make sure to put the recipe in the description box. And I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm just gonna pop this in the oven and let it cook for about 40 minutes or until that center is set. Oops, y'all, I forgot to add my additional cheese and my green onions. So let me sprinkle that on top first. All right, now it's ready for the oven. So here is the casserole. I ended up baking this for 45 minutes and then I just put it on a hot pad there and I just let it cool for about 15 minutes. I cut out a slice so you all could see it. And here it is all plated up. I'm serving mine with a side of grapes and then I just have some additional green onions and sour cream on top. This would also be really good with salsa as well. But I hope you all enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. As I mentioned earlier, I have an entire playlist of quick and easy breakfast ideas that I'll make sure to link in the description box. If you all did enjoy this recipe, it really helps our channel out if you would give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.